Have you ever thought, I need to quit my job and switch career to finally work in tech? If that is you, then this video is for you. So ensure you like and subscribe to this channel so you see more of this. Sometimes we see posts like, I quit my job, learned to code, and became a software engineer in 6 months. The issue with this is that it makes you feel like you have to abandon everything you've built or worked over the years and start again. But that is not always the case. Let me tell you about a recent conversation I had. I was chatting with a lady who works in corporate finance. She handles budgets, builds Excel models, and manages financial reports every single day with Microsoft Excel. But she told me she wanted to quit her career and switch careers to tech. And my answer to her was simple. You don't need to switch career. You already work in tech. You just don't know that yet. This might be true for you as well. So let's talk about it. The career switch myth. There is a persistent myth that working in tech means you have to be a software engineer, an app or Python developer, or have to write code. That if your job title doesn't say engineer, developer, or scientist, you are not relevant. That is simply not true. This myth is very dangerous because it leads to the fear of missing out and causes people to unnecessarily abandon years of hard-won industry knowledge. But the reality is you are probably already a tech user or a data skill user. You just don't know that now. You have to relabel your skills. So now, what does tech actually mean? Tech is simply using digital tools to solve a business problem more efficiently. If you use Outlook to automate emails, you are using tech. If you analyze monthly reports in Excel, analyze data in Excel, you're using data tech. The difference between you and someone with a tech title is just the sophistication of the tool you use. Now, let me give you some real-world examples. If you are in finance and you build complex model in Excel, you're already doing data wrangling and maybe data visualization. You can upgrade that to Python or Power BI and Excel or an SQL. If you're in marketing and you use dashboard to analyze campaign performance or market trend, you're already doing data analytics. I will advise to learn SQL to query data faster and also learn Power BI so that you can start building these dashboards yourself, just in case maybe previously you were handed over a dashboard. If you are in operations or manage inventory in a database, you're using tech infrastructure. So learn Python, SQL, or other non-code automation tools. Now we move on to the segment of how to use tech in a role you already have. It's about mindset shift. So a mindset shift is crucial. The move is not about switching career. It's about leveling up your career from where you are currently. So my question to you now is, where are you right now? What skill level are you? Ask yourself this one question. What is the most repetitive, annoying, or time-consuming task I have to do every single day or every single week? That repetitive task or recurring pain point, it's your automation target. The first essential pointer or skill is to learn data visualization or storytelling skills. Your analysis is only as good as your communication. Stop sending static tables of numbers. You need to turn those numbers into a compelling and clear visuals. I recommend mastering tools like Power BI or Tableau. These tools allow you to transform dense, ugly Excel sheets into powerful, interactive dashboards that clearly conveys the insight you're trying to pass across and commands attention from decision makers. The second pointer focuses on efficiency. Master data querying. So if your process involves constantly spending time manually downloading massive spreadsheets or large CSVs from various systems or various sources, you are wasting valuable time. You need to learn basic SQL, that is structured query language. This skill lets you bypass manual downloads and allows you to query the exact data you need directly from your company's system or directly from the sources you usually get them from. This immediately elevates you from just a data user, a consumer, to a data retrieval specialist. The final pointer for today is about eliminating the busy work. Mastering workflow automation, that is those things you do repetitively, find how to automate it. Focus on creating systems that works for you, not the other way around, not the one that works against you. You can achieve this in 2 ways. Number 1, learn simple scripting in Python for core data cleaning or repetitive file manipulation. Second, explore no-code tools like Zipper or Microsoft Power Platforms to link applications and automate an entire workflow, such as sending notifications, sending emails, moving files from one location to another location. By implementing just one of these 3 pointers, that's visualization, querying, automation, you would yield immediate results. You'll see immediate results. These skills don't just upgrade your resume, they make you indispensable at work. Remember, you don't have to quit your job. You just have to fundamentally change how you do your job. Now, to be completely honest or transparent, let's address an exception. A full career switch is sometimes the right decision. So you should consider a complete switch only if one of the following applies. Number 1, your entire industry is declining or being completely automated with no viable path to upskill or pivoting within it. Number 2 reason why you should switch: you have an extreme, undeniable passion for a specialized field, maybe like deep learning, research, or core software architecture, software engineering, which genuinely requires a dedicated shift. Number 3, why you should consider switching: if you've truly maxed out your current path, you have hit the ceiling of your job, your career, that there are no more growth opportunities and you need a complete change of environment to find fulfillment. Now, if you think your industry might be one of those industries or one of those occupations facing automation or major decline, for example, if you work in traditional data entry, clerical banking, or manual assembly, you need a strategy, and that's where I come in. In a future video, I will detail several of these highly automated roles, these roles that are being highly automated, and show you the exact corresponding tech career you can upskill into or pivot to. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you don't miss that when I drop it. So if you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button now. But here is my warning: don't switch career out of fear of missing out. That is very dangerous. Don't tear down foundational knowledge you've built over the years because of an internet trend. Please don't do that. Our motto stands: upskill first, then decide what's next. To summarize all we have discussed today, you don't need to switch careers to work in tech or in data. You need to build tech and data into the career you already have. Start small, learn one new visualization skill, automate one annoying task, and over time, that shift will compound and you'll find yourself with a completely new set of skills without having to start over from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Please like this video as well and share with your friends. See you on the next one.